Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal for online payment. First, you will need to set up your free account. Visit the PayPal website or download their mobile application, then click Sign Up. You will provide your email address, create a strong, unique password, and enter some basic personal information. After agreeing to the terms, a confirmation email will be sent to verify your address. This initial step takes just a few minutes, securing your gateway to easier online transactions. After your account is active, linking a payment source is the next crucial step. Navigate to your PayPal wallet, then choose to link a bank account or a card. For bank accounts, PayPal will send 2 small deposits, often less than $1, which you'll confirm to verify ownership. For cards, simply enter the details as you would for any online purchase. This process usually takes about 1 or 2 business days for full bank verification, but cards are typically ready for use immediately. When you are ready to make an online purchase, simply look for the PayPal button at checkout. Clicking this button will redirect you to a secure PayPal page where you can log into your account. You will then see a summary of your order, allowing you to choose which linked bank account or card to use for that specific transaction. Always review the total amount and your shipping details carefully. Confirming the payment completes your purchase, and you will receive an immediate confirmation. Keeping track of your transactions is simple and highly recommended. Your PayPal dashboard provides a comprehensive activity log showing every payment sent and received, along with the date and amount. This feature helps you monitor your spending and ensure all transactions are legitimate. Furthermore, PayPal offers purchase protection on many eligible items, meaning if an item doesn't arrive or isn't as described, you could get your money back. This safety net provides an added layer of peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.